You're welcome to my channel. This is VsmDesigns. Today I am going to walk you through on how to make your own personal custom waistband. You can agree with me that the waistbands that we buy in the market, some of the times we have one issue or the other. For example, this floral waistband, it is very thick. After fixing it on your trouser and you want to iron the trouser, especially the back side of it, that will be folded, you find out that it is very difficult for you to fold it, so it's very thick. Whereas this other one called classic fashion, if you don't know how to make use of it properly, you find out that you have difficulty fixing it because it has a kind of overlap under. That overlap, your thread is not supposed to be shown inside, so you must know how to fix it properly in such a way that after fixing it, the final thread that you are going to run on it will not be shown inside. So these are issues that needed to be addressed. Therefore, I have come up with this method of making your own personal waistband. Now let's hit the table. You are going to cut your gum, your waist gum, the usual way that you normally cut it. You can cut it 1¼ inches, or you can make it 1½ inches. Then you are going to gum it to the fabric that you are working with. After gumming it, you are going to cut it out, leaving an allowance on both sides. Now you are going to cut another gum that is bigger than the first one that you cut. Like this one, I used 2 inches wide. This is 2 inches wide. You are going to gum it on the particular lining that you use for the trouser. But if you do not use any lining on the trouser, you can just get any lining, gum it there. You can see I'm not leaving any allowance. So after gumming it, I fold it this way. After folding it, you can see the way I am cutting it. So this is the lining that I have gummed, and this is the one I have gummed for the fabric, and this is my bias. So if you are using bias, I will recommend that you use striped bias, normal trouser bias like this, striped one, because it adds more beauty to it. So the next thing you are going to do is to run the bias on the lining that you have gummed already. You are going to place it this way. This is the folded side. So you are going to match the bias there so that it will be the same distance. Then you run thread, you open the bias and run thread on it. While you are matching this bias, that's the size of it, to the end of the lining, is so that you have a uniform distance from the edge of that lining, so that by the time you bend the bias this way and run thread here, what you are going to have left will be exactly the same size with the size of the bias. Now go ahead and fix your waist. Fix the waist of the trouser. I believe you already know how to go about this, so we are not going to dwell so much on this. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do so. Give this video a thumbs up, share it to your friends and to your colleagues. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload any video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are watching on Facebook, kindly follow me, share this video, drop your comments and like this video. So after fixing the waist, you are going to fix the band as well. You are going to place it just the way you can see me place it, and go ahead and fix your waistband. While you enjoy the video, let me sip some water. So here is the final result. Can you see how amazing they look? How neat? And I can assure you that this is very, very durable. Very, very durable. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to share, to like, and to drop your comments. Take your time to go through my channel. There are lots of informative videos that I have dropped before now. There must be something new that you are going to learn, because learning never ends. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.